Good morning. Welcome back to the mining cabinet. I'm Drew. It's February 17th, 2024, date of recording. Look at this. KASPA is at all-time highs. Looks like there's been a little bit of sell-off pressure, but if we look at the chart over here, it looks like there's been some sell-off, but it's looks like it's turning back upwards. Maybe this will continue. What's going on? I have been solo mining. I think some of you may have seen that video where I put these on solo mining. Now, I will have to say I've had some issues with my KS0 Pro going offline. It doesn't appear to be heat related. I've got the free monitoring tool from Tswift. You can get on Discord. All my temperatures are great. Actually, they've dropped. I was in here a minute ago. They were all in the 60s, but this one is 58. The voltages are all pretty much in the same area. The clock speeds are all in the same area, so I'm not sure what's going on. I'll probably need to do some checking. I don't know. It could be a network issue, but it's only this one, so I don't think it's a network issue because they're all in the cabinet hooked to the same switch. So maybe if the switch was getting hot or if it's got an issue, it seems like they would all go down. Also, in the cabinet, I have a 12-card AMD rig, a 7-card NVIDIA GPU mining rig, the 3 iceriver's that I have here, which are 2 KS0s and then 1 KS0 Pro. I've also got, at the moment, 5 Jazzminer X4 bricks, 1 Jazzminer X4 3UQ, and at the moment 3 GPU mining rigs, and I've got a 7950X sitting here next to me running that I've been tuning the BIOS on it to get the voltage down and the hash rate as high as I can get it with lower voltage to cut the heat, cut the watts. And I just put a cooler on a new 5950X rig. I just don't have enough power supplies, so I'm going to have to turn off the 7950 and run this one for a while to tune it. I do have a power supply splitter, so I can then take both of these and put out in the cabinet. So it'd give me 5 CPU rigs in the cabinet. And I also have a 3950X to set up, but I don't have... I think I don't have another CPU 8-pin splitter, so I have a 24-pin splitter, another one, but I don't think I can get it hooked up just yet. I've got another another PSU on the way and a couple of more splitters on the way. But anyway, solo mining has been going pretty well. Let's go to blocks. You can see I've hit like 2 blocks 2 days ago. A couple have rolled off. I started on about the 15th of January. I think I had 1 or 2 blocks before that. I just did some math. There's 7 here, but I know for sure I got 1 right after I started, so it's 8. The current block reward is 130. I think it would have been a little higher in January because it drops 5% every month. Pretty aggressive reduction. It's like having, I think, a halving every year or every 2 years if you do it 5% a month. I think it's a halving every year. So is it better than pool mining? I don't know. I mean, right now the only one I have on is the one that's not overclocked, and it makes, according to this, 7 KASPA a day. But because we're at all-time high, it's making $1 a day. With as much KASPA as I've earned, I've paid off what I could sell and pay off what more than 2 of these cost. I don't think I've quite broken even on all 3 of them yet. I'd have to go back and look. I know the first KS0 I got, I paid with shipping and everything was about $1,100. The KS0 Pro, when I bought it, I think I got it with shipping and everything for $500. And I think I am sitting on almost $2,000 worth of KASPA at the current prices. So I think theoretically I'm very close to breaking even on my original investment cost, but I'm not waiting on this 16 cents per KASPA. I'm waiting on 60 cents or $1 for these things to really pay off. So is solo mining better? I don't know. I mean, right now it's maybe a little bit better because I'm less than 100% solo luck, which means I'm winning blocks faster than expected for my hash rate and the current difficulty. So what should you do? I don't know. You'll have to. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a crypto advisor. I'm just throwing out there my results. Hopefully you're watching multiple videos, Googling, doing your own research, and making your own decision for your own circumstances. But I do appreciate everybody stopping by, taking time to watch the video, and if you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have some suggestions, please click comment, leave a comment, and stay tuned. Watch this channel grow. I'm going to try to make at least one video a month or a week, and sometimes more. It just depends. I have a 3 hour or 1.5 hour each way commute to work, so I will admit a lot of times during the week I want to make videos, but I get home and I'm tired, and by the time I eat and wife and I handle daily business or converse, it's just too late to sit here and make a video. So I hope you understand that. But as I said, I will try to make more videos. If you want to see anything, have any questions, please leave comments and I'll see what I can do to accommodate you. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Have a great week, and good luck with your crypto mining adventure.